What is up, YouTube? I'm on my GoPro today, so you can see yourself. Alright, so yes, I've been posting, well, I haven't been posting, so I've been slacking on that. I don't know, I'll have to check on previous videos, but graduated college, got a real boy job, doing all that, saving money, etc. So today, I thought we'll do a little treat. It's Sunday. We'll go for a little drive. I'm taking my 1JZ vvti S13 out. I'm going to explain more in case people have questions about the car in the actual car. And my GoPro is currently mounted on a head cam, so I'll be wearing that. I'm going to throw a boost controller on it today, run it to 15 PSI. I finally got it like perfect. The actual issue is I had whoever imported it for me had a Chinese like knockoff mass airflow sensor. Put a real one in that, actually not Chinese eBay rips. And it was pretty fast before. Now it's just very fast. It honestly almost keeps up with my 2JZ just because the power band's so good. So anyway, yeah, sorry for the long hiatus, guys. I always say this, but I should actually be posting much more regularly. With my now job, I have like free time because I'm not working and going to school. I'm just working. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, and I hope you guys are too. Let's see how it goes. We'll get some good sound clips, and yeah, let's have a good drive.
Yes.
All right, YouTube. I don't know if you guys can hear me well at all, but I'm full sending it. This is my 1JZ vvti 240SX stock. It's got a steel wheel turbo from Twisted Motion. Other than that, it's stock. It's got a 300ZX Z32 transmission with a Collins adapter. We got some 215 tires that are spanked. I'm just gonna go on a decent drive. I think that's it. Any other questions, just leave a comment. And this guy's got the RB240 that you'll see more of. All right.
Clutching it in second. This guy stays here. I'm gonna just pull over so I can actually rage a bit. Give him a little bit of time. Give everybody a second. Yeah. Got a bike coming up. I don't know if he's coming up this way.
Nope.
Good.
We're gonna catch up to him real fast.
Give it a couple seconds.
Yeah. Oh, here, I'll do some revs for you guys. crazy. But yeah, it only likes to make 12 pounds and yeah, that was not first. Even that in. That was third, ladies and gentlemen. So much quicker than the 2JZ. YouTube viewers, some carbureted motors are very, very fast. But here in Nevada, in Reno specifically, people don't have very fast cars, to be honest. So, yeah. Most times they're hot August nights cars, if you know what that is, and they're just all show, no go.
Waiting for the hate. I'll show you my all show.
Oh yeah. I mean, whatever. I know there's a lot of cars faster than this on the internet and in real life here, but this balanced, I don't know. This thing's very balanced. It's surprisingly quick.
Makes me want to turn mine up a little bit more.
Yeah, this is only like 12.
Damn near useless.
September. Whoever guesses it correct, I have a blown C15B internals of the stock 1JZ vvti turbo. If you guess it correct, I'll ship it to you. We'll do something fun. It's pretty much valueless. You could rebuild it, put it on your stock 1J, but short of that, yeah, it's pretty much useless. But I think you will enjoy it, I hope. It's so quiet. I know. Same with my TJ. That was weird.
That was fun. What happened there? Lock you out a second?
The whole engine seemed to cut out for a second. See if it idles.
Too much limiter.
Yeah, I think it just didn't like that much limiter.
Less limiter.
More cowbell.
More cowbell, less limiter.
That's funny. Woo! Oh my god, keep grinding. Shifted too quick. So yeah, this trans is known to grind for. And if you go real fast, it likes to grind. To be fair, it's a $50 transmission. Like,
It's in my backyard for 2 years.
Yeah, it was in his backyard, uncovered for 2 years. Just about. Whoa! Oh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that on GoPro, but slow that down.
Was doing either a fat skid or their brakes locked.
Yeah, something's fucked. That's weird. But he hit the curb, so that's kind of funny.
Rip wheel.
Yeah, fuck that. Yeah, I'm less likely to drift this thing with no power steering. It's just too hard, guys, and that's why I'm not. And then another thing I need to fix on this car is the coilovers. You might or might not be able to tell with this GoPro footage, but my god, they are blown and they are so bouncy. It's dangerous. So 2J is a lot better at drifting. We should hit a couple events in Fernley this year. However, right now this is being shot during the COVID-19 thing, so who knows? Most shit is closed, so we will see. I have no idea, but hopefully there'll be a lot more cool content on this channel. I really wanted to. I never wanted to make YouTube like my job or anything. Not even saying that I'm anywhere near that, but I just like having this channel here because it's a fun thing to do and it's a good hobby. So yeah, I hope you guys stick with and we have more cool shit for you guys. She loves to spin tires, that's for damn sure. And also guys, just for fun on this video, right about here, I will clip in some cool donuts or burnouts and all the other crap I've been doing on this car that I just haven't been updating you guys with, so. Sunday today, so whatever. Have a great whatever it is, wherever you are, in whatever time zone, and whatever time you watch this video. Anyway, this is what it's like to drive a stock 1JZ vvti and a 240. Oh, by the way, it has a welded diff. Don't know if I mentioned that. But yeah, it's a very simple setup. Very cheap on it. Well, okay, it's not very cheap. But it's relatively cheap for what you could do. I bet you this thing, maybe at sea level, could probably run, if you had the right tires, like a 12.9. I think you could barely crack 12 seconds in the quarter mile with this thing, which is pretty good considering, like, I forgot, but whatever, a stock STI, wow, that's funny, runs this. Something in the 12s, I thought, or maybe just very low 13s. Well, that's $40,000. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, and it's a lot less fun. I've had them, so trust me, these things are fun. So anyway, have a good day.